War Day number 1050. 1050 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back with the puzzles in today's newspaper with today's newspaper of Wednesday, January the 15th, 2025. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. We have also in this newspaper an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will do these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 9905, I believe. 9905. Let me check this. 9906. 9906. Wow. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left. For the 1 in this big square, should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in those 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1. This big square should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, okay. How about, I need a 3 here. 3 there. Need a 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left of the 2. Should be there. Come on. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, the only place left of 4. Should be there. 5 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square. Oh wait, 2 of those missing numbers in the last column, missing number. Again, 5 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and the 7 in this big square, so no 5 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. So 3 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this row. Third row, so no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. So 1 digit left. In the last column for the number 8. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. I need 6 here. 6 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes down. 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only place left is 6. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Then 3 and 5 here. How about? In this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this row. Should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in the second row. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And we have a pair. In the first column, we have 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have 3 and a 5 in this big square, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and the 8. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 4, 8, 9. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1, 3, 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about 8 in the last row? 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, yeah. 1, 3, 7. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. And I need a 6 here. 9 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. And 2, need a 2 here. I'm stuck. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left. In this big square, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Overlooked, overlooked. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places. Oh, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. 6 and a 9 in this row. 6 and a 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pairs. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now. In the third column, 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. This one is a quick one to solve, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.